Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am here with an interesting topic, and that is wonders of Rajasthan. The sands of Rajasthan are surely one of those few scenario places where travelers get attracted in such a large quantity that one cannot simply deny the fact that Rajasthan is slowly becoming an ultra hub for youth travelers. Not only that, Rajasthan beholds a key to majestic monuments and great mythological architecture that plunges it to the one of the list of the topmost states of India. Indeed, Rajasthan is a pure state where heaven meets the land comes to the rescue. So, let's take a look to the forts and monuments of Rajasthan. So, this first monument or this palace is City Palace. Well, this is everything at once. A perfect mix of mythology, architecture, tech, loyalty, and of course, all these come together to make City Palace one of those few hidden gems without whom Rajasthan would seem incomplete. So this next fort is of Nareli, that is in Pali. On the outskirts of Jodhpur lies Nareli, Pali, which is a mix of hotels and buildings that were actually old cottages and havelis. These royal houses has been converted into marvelous hotels for one to have a very great experience while in Rajasthan. So this next fort is very common, and that is Kumbhalgarh Fort. Well, this is one of the few hidden forts of Rajasthan that actually are a perfect example of high quality architecture. Being one of the most finely built structure, the Kumbhalgarh Fort is a great place for one to enjoy the loyal vibes. So this next fort is Kuchaman Fort. This is one those few forts which still throw the mighty architects of today. Built at a cliff of height 1100 feet, this magnificent fort has great analysis of gold and other royal commodities. It is surely a great place to be in. So this next lake that you can see is Lake Pichola, which is in Udaipur. If romance seems to surround you, then there's nothing better than the Pichola Lake. Being a less visited lake in Rajasthan, the silent winds and of the place are truly amazing, and you can enjoy the great scenarios which this lake unfolds. So this next palace is Umaid Bhawan Palace. If you're looking for an overdose of royalty, then this place is surely going to meet your expectations. Set in the middle of a great environment, the house is half way home to the royal family while it is hotel for the other half. There is nothing more to say because this palace has got everything you need to see. This next picture is of Khwaja Kharib Nawaz Dargah Ajmer. Being a little too holy, this is one of the best places to meet God and seek blessings of the Almighty for a happy journey. This next lake is of Garcia Lake, a holy lake for the locals and a great place to enjoy. This lake is a place where tourists come to enchant a sense of silence and rather hot silence from the crowd of Rajasthan. The lake has a great scenario all around, and it has even accompanied by a royal arch door. So this next photo is of Jagmandir Palace, that is in Kota. One of the most scenic places in all of Kota, the Jagmandir Palace was built by one of the beautiful queen of Kota in 1740 and is situated in the middle of the Kishore Sagar Lake. The palace is a monument of beauty and boasts the skills and architectural excellence of the royals. Well, there's nothing better than this one, built on the top of Arabuda mountains of Rajasthan. So friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care. Bye.